Yes. Okay, first of all, I want you to you to do the action and yeah, you have to guess which word that you have heard already, okay? Which word? This is the they put it P, okay. Odd number group. And here is the even number group. Okay, are you ready? Okay, the first one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. You have to do the action and you have to guess which word is it. No words, no speaking. No words. Make sandwich. Okay, very good. And next. Clean the what? Clean the cookers. Okay, clean the cookers. Who can translate it into Thai? Clean cookers. Yeah, ทำความสะอาดเตา Very good.